You know, it's estimated, and I think a lot of people can relate to this time of night, that 37 million Americans snore.
With over 300 million in America, you think the number might even be higher. But bottom line, it can be annoying, right? But doctors say it could also be a sign of something much more serious. So our coworker, David Hershey, let us in on the struggle he and his wife are facing: a good night's sleep.
Every night, David tries to... Every night, David... It's not easy to fall asleep when the quiet of the night is constantly interrupted. And while it may sound like his wife Lori is sleeping soundly, she's not.
In the middle of the night, I can hear what sounds a little bit like a chainsaw going off.
I have awakened myself snoring so loudly.
Lori has tried all kinds of remedies.
Steroids, sprays, pillow mist. It's a mix of essential oils,
including nasal strips, earplugs, and diffusers. And then there was this.
It's a very odd looking thing.
None have worked. So Lori agreed to a sleep study at the UNT Health Science Center's sleep lab.
I'm hoping to find some more answers as to what physically may be causing me to not get a good night's sleep.
Dr. Sharif Alfara says snoring is often a symptom of a bigger health problem.
Snoring occurs because, as I mentioned, the sleep apnea, the airway kind of collapses, closes up.
To get to the bottom of Lori's snoring, doctors hooked her up to these sensors and then rolled video as she tried to sleep. The lab tech keeps an eye on her from outside as Lori watches TV, checks her phone, and then, an hour later, she falls asleep. Her every move monitored. Initially, the snoring is off and on. But then...
Well, when we come back, results from Lori's sleep study, plus what you need to look for if you are sleeping next to someone who snores.